Blazing Crescendo, whatever that is. Super Suit. That's kind of cool. Undercover Scroll. Hawkeye. Young Avenger. Master of Evil. Comic Crook. Should be getting to something a little better, right? Better cards should be coming up.
Yeah, they should be.
Extremis V, General Thunderbolt Ross. Never heard of that dude.
Ooh,
Human Torch, Johnny Storm.
I've
They look
never
cool when
seen
you
that
look
one.
them, when you put them in the light. They look cool.
they do. They like some rainbow.
A Mountain.
I wonder if these are really
I don't even know who that is. Who is that? Iron Man or something?
Can't really tell.
The Mind Stone. Isn't that a good one?
I think that one's like $20. Yeah.
The Mind Stone foil. Jarvis, Earth's Mightiest Butler. Agent Phil. Who?
That's cool.
Clusion? Oh, that's
we
Storm
just saw
one.
that one.
Yeah,
That's
Alt
20.
Art, Storm, Force of Nature. That's cool art. Avengers Assemble.
That one might be cool.
Enchantment. That one's cool looking. And an Angel. That's cool.
Is that it? Where's your
I think that's it.
That's cool.
Oh, it's like a double.
Did we get any other doubles?
I don't know. Elephant. Angel.
Let's check if we got any other doubles.
I don't think so. Oh,
Besides that. Huh. That's cool. Alright.